If you want to withdraw Tether USDT to PayPal, here's a quick guide. First, forget about trying to send USDT directly to PayPal. It doesn't work. You need an exchange that supports converting crypto to PayPal. Start by logging into a platform like Binance, Coinbase, or OKX. Deposit your USDT there if it's not already on the exchange. Next, sell your USDT for a fiat currency like USD or euros. Make sure to check fees and rates so you don't lose too much on conversions. Once you've converted USDT to fiat, go to withdrawal section and choose PayPal as your withdrawal method. Connect your PayPal account and confirm the transfer. Depending on the platform, it can take a few minutes to a few hours for the funds to hit your PayPal balance. Always double check that your PayPal email is correct to avoid mistakes. After the transfer, you can use the money for online shopping, send it to friends, or withdraw to your bank from PayPal. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.